Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to save 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to this box down there below in the description bar, and also I'm going to put the coupon code for you to save the 35% off your first box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. And I've shown this before, but I really like how they put a picture here of the stuff that's in the box, but I always find that there is something in this box that's not in the picture. It happens a lot. So the name of this box, which I really love, is so cute, is called Berries and Cherries. That's really cute. And let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, that pearl strand. Those two pearl strands. Those are so gorgeous. Okay, let's get this open. Here are the findings. In case you're new to this box, they always have a bag here. So right here, each box also contains a findings starter kit. I love how they do that. There's a lot of goodies in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Wow, these colors are amazing. Okay, there's the box. Oh wow, look at those reds. Okay, I had to make sure I didn't leave anything in the box, because recently I opened up a subscription box and there were some beads left in the box and I didn't know it until I got done filming. Okay, so these colors are amazing. First off, I have to put all the strands out. This purple, I do not think I have this. Really dark plum purple. This is so pretty. I love that. And these two together, these would look great with my hair. I have really dark hair, so dark brown hair, so those are gorgeous. Okay, now these are listed on the box in case you didn't know. And if you really like these beads, you can go back and order them for $1. But I have found that when I have gone back to order some beads, some of them are cheaper than $1. Like some of the strands I went back to check out in the past, they were 80 cents a strand. So you might want to go check this out in case you really like them. That's pretty. Okay, so we start out with the bigger sizes usually. So those are all pretty large. That one actually seems bigger to me, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe that's that one. Okay. This is 8. That's really cool. This color is epic. Alright, so let's go to the list. Number 1 is 12mm blood red glass pearl bead. Wow, that's the first one I put on the top here. 8-inch strand, blood red. This is so darn gorgeous. I want nail polish in this color. That is really pretty. I love that. I don't have this shade of red either. I do have some red pearls in my stash. Not much, but they are a lot brighter. They're not dark like this, and I like this shade more. Okay, and then this is 12mm crimson glass pearl bead, 8-inch strand. Yeah, I think that's it. Crimson glass pearl bead. Again, so pretty, and I really like these two together. Those are epic. Is this the next one? 12mm bronze silver leaf style glass bead, 8-inch. This is pretty. Last time we got this with red, but I think I like this one better. If you remember last one's box, I really like these colors. This one looks kind of like a stone bead. There's this really popular bead that's going around right now. They're saying it's stone, and it kind of looks like this. But I don't know if it's a man-made stone or what. I've been seeing it a lot. The next thing is 8mm red swirl marble style glass bead. Wow, how did I put these in order to the box? Because I did not do that on purpose. I'm going to keep going and see how far I've gotten. So this is, again, red swirl marble style glass bead. 10 inches. This one is really cool too. And by the way, this is a painted bead. You can only get an effect like this with paint. That looks so cool. This one does kind of have small holes, or actually that one has a small hole and then this one has a bigger hole. But I like those. Those are cool. This one here is amazing. So let's see. The next is 8mm Plum Jade style glass bead strand, 16-inch. No way. Did I really get this? This is the next one on the list. Plum Jade. Yeah, I would say this is a plum color. How big are the holes? The reason why I'm checking the holes out is because I've been doing a lot of macrame work lately. And I used some of the beads from this box to make a bracelet. Look at that purple. This sort of looks like a check druck bead that is a milky opal purple like this. This one's darker though. It's pretty. So pretty. I like it with that pearl. That purple pearl right there. Okay, next thing. We're going to 6mm now, and it is Wine Sea Beach style glass bead, 16-inch strand. That might be this. The next 6mm says Blood Red Jade style. So this is actually the next one. So I did get this one. Screwed up. It's supposed to be behind this one. So this one here, this is really bizarre looking. Look at that. It's matte, right? But it has really nice size holes that we can use in that bracelet that I made. I'll put a picture of the bracelet up now. I made that bracelet using pink crackle beads from one of these curated bead boxes. And the crackle beads were awesome because they had really big holes. See that? Where I could crisscross through the bead, and I used a 6mm bead. So if you want to, you can use these beads in that bracelet. Alright? And all you have to do is put the name that you see in that picture in the search, and you will find it on YouTube. Okay, and then the next one is the Blood Red Jade style glass bead, 16-inch. Wow, so this is 16 inches, this one's 16, and this one's 16. How big are the holes on this? This one kind of has big holes too, yeah? Yeah, I think so. Now, I did find with the pink strand that I did that some holes were bigger than others. So what I did is I just tested them and figure out which ones my cord went through twice. And I used those for my cross-through bead. So there is that red there. And if you want, you could use 2 different colors. You can mix the colors in that bracelet. I just did one solid color, but you can do different colors. And the next thing is 8 through 10mm Amethyst Gemstone chips, 10.5-inch string. That's this here. This is pretty. I like the mix of color in this. It's not all purple, which is what I usually have in the gemstone chips. It has a mix in it, which makes it look very natural looking with the other color, other than just purple. So that's pretty. I would like to put these in a stretch bracelet. And then the next thing is 16mm silver filigree metal bead, 12 beads. Oh, that's this, and this actually fell out of the screen on me. These are enormous. I don't think I have filigree beads this big in my stash. 16mm. They are huge. Yeah, I think the biggest I have is 8. And I'm going to pull these out so you could see. They are huge. They look like grapes. They're that big. How cool. And did you know that these actually open up? Right there. It opens up. It's a flat piece of metal. They cut it out and then they fold them up like this. And I don't think that there's a way that I could flatten this, open it up, and then put it back into round. I think that would be impossible. But anyways, this here has silver in it. And these look really good with this. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to put those back in the bag. And I'm dying to get to this bag here. It's like a mixed bag of beads. What's the next thing? Approximate 1.5 ounces berries glass bead mix. Ooh. Okay, so I think I'll save this for last because I want to sort through it. And I'm going to go to the thing over here. This is a 32mm red dyed turquoise silver metal pendant. This is very boho to me. Yes, we got one like this in the past, but it was different shape. It was a teardrop shape and it had white halite instead of the red halite. But do you see this pattern right here? Isn't that pretty? Right there too. So pretty. And you know what I've thought about? This is domed. Do you see this? It's like a spoon. I've thought about whenever I get pendants like this, I thought about taking and doing something in resin on the back here. Yeah, so it's reversible, or maybe I could put like someone's name back there or a picture or something. I don't know. It's just an idea that I had. Okay, so let's move on to the baggie. And I hope my backdrop is good. I'm having issues with finding a good backdrop to film lately. I had a dark blue one, but somebody said that it was too dark, so I left that and on this background. Okay, so this is a berry mix. We have some crackle beads in here and lampwork glass beads. I think I like this white one. It looks like it's marbled. I don't see it in my camera, but do you see that? See the marble? It's pretty. Okay, so there's 4 of these. Everybody's probably going to have a different mix. And again, this is called Berries Glass Bead Mix. We have these pink ones here. These are pretty large, by the way. These, I think that those are 12mm. And then these are like 10. We have some brown crackled, which I really like because they make me think of like the tortoise, or like tortoise glasses, or like amber. I like the brown crackle beads. And we have some pearls. I wonder what this color is called. That's pretty. It's like brown bronzy, but then it has like a hematite look to it, so I really like that color there. Those are pretty. And then we have some more pink, hot pink, and here are some hot pink. I'm forgetting to tell you the sizes. These here are 6mm. Hot pink crackle. These here I think are 10. Okay, and then we have these really pretty lampwork. I think I've used beads like this before in a hairbread. Do you guys remember? It's been some time now. Those are pretty. And then these, are these crackled? These look milky to me. I gotta put up to the light. It is crackled. It has a milky appearance though. Those are really neat. Do you see that? They look really cool. So I like those. Alright, so this is the mix, and this is all the beads, but I'm going to show you what's in this bag here. So I'll put this away. Okay, let's go to the baggie here. So there is elastic cord, which is like a 1mm elastic, and this is really good, strong elastic cord. Especially compared to some of the cord I have, which is like really crappy. I've actually been throwing it away because it breaks so easily. It breaks when I tie knots. But this stuff here is super strong and durable. And I keep wanting to go onto their site and see if they sell their elastic cord separately. They probably do, because it's really good, strong stuff. And I've made some bracelets using their beads from their box here. Right, so I love their cord. And then we have memory wire, which is very awesome. I love how they do this. We have some head pins, and they look like they're 2-inch head pins, by the way. We have bead stringing wire, fish hook ear wires, or shepherd's hook. These have different names, but I do recommend whenever you get ear wires like this, I always do this. Do you see how open this ear wire is? Every time I go to wear this style in my ears, I always find that the earring falls out, so I always bend this hook down closer to this here. It makes it smaller and it's less likely to fall out. I recommend that for all ear wires that are this style. And here we have some jump rings. These are 6mm, and these jump rings are really thick. Okay, and when I use jump rings, I don't just use them for connection points with closures. I also like to use jump rings as spacers in between beads. So you can also use these like in stretch bracelets, put these in between your beads. It looks like a spacer bead. It looks pretty cool. Okay, and we have crimp beads in silver and 4 lobster claw clasps. Alright, so this is it. This is a really good subscription box, especially if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of stuff. This has everything in it that you need to make jewelry. All right, here is your beads, here is your findings. All you need is tools, and that's it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will put the subscription box link for the Curated Bead box down there below, and also I will put the coupon code down there so you can get $7 off of your box. So please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.